Hi guys, welcome to back. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about how we can read CSV files with Pandas in different ways. First, let's import Pandas as PD, and by using read CSV file, by writing the file name inside of our parentheses and call our data frame, convert it to data frame, then using head method to see what we have in our data frame. By default, let's see our CSV file. By default, read CSV method take as first row as a column names. So it will take first row as a column names, which we have courses, fee, duration, and discount. How we can set column as index? By using index column property, we can do it. After the file name, we put comma and use index column property, which equals to any column names. For now, we used courses as an index, and we give its name in like that in this parentheses, and it give us these as index, as you see from here. How we can skip first few rows? Let's run it and explain. Before that, I want to explain what does it mean header none. Let's delete it and run it again. As you see, in here we don't have column names because we set that header none, and the first row in here we set that by default it uses column name, but now it's like a ordinary row. So by saying header none and using skip rows and give the number how many rows we want to skip. For example, in this example we want to skip 2 rows. It will skip 2 rows and give us rest of them. Let's run it again. As you see, it skipped 2 rows and give it like that. How we can ignore header and assign new columns? In here, column list, we created new column names. And then when we said header none and skip rows 1, we will skip this courses name by default. Column names by default, and by saying names equal to these columns lists in here, we defined our column names like that. As you see, these column names, by saying names equal to columns, give us our column names like that. So how we can select a few columns while reading CSV files. Maybe in our CSV files we have many columns, but we don't want to read all of them. We just give a use columns parameter and equal the column names in these square brackets, give the names inside of square brackets, and by using df head method read them. As we see, previously we have 4 columns in our original CSV file, but we want to see 3 of them, which we defined by use columns parameter, and read it like that. The last I want to talk about how we can set column data types. In real world, we will have messy data. For what does it mean? Maybe we have date columns which is about date, but the format date type is type of our column is string, but in reality it must be date format, because maybe in future investigation maybe we want to take years, days, months from this format, from this column, and when we don't have proper date format, it will make so so difficult for us to work with that. So that reason, when we read it, we can set column data types by using date type parameter, and inside of this curly parentheses, we can give column name and its type, column name and its type. As you see in these courses, we have courses column is string data type, fees as float, and so on. For now, I think it is enough. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.